Hey everyone, and welcome back. Planning a product launch, event, or marketing campaign. In this video, I'll show you how to manage it all from start to finish using Asana's free plan. First, create a new project for your campaign. Name it something clear like Q4 product launch or annual conference. Inside the project, use sections to break down the major phases. For a launch, you might have pre-launch, launch week, and post-launch. Now, create tasks for every single action item. Assign each task to a team member and set a due date. Use subtasks to break down complex steps. Switch to the timeline view to see all your tasks on a calendar. This is perfect for spotting overlaps and ensuring your schedule is realistic. For event day, create a list view sorted by due date and time. This becomes your team's minute-by-minute run sheet. Use the progress field on the main project to track if you're on track, at risk, or off track. And that's it. With tasks, timelines, and progress tracking, you have a complete command center to execute any event or campaign flawlessly on the free plan. If you manage a big project in Asana, let me know what it is in the comments. See you in the next one.